I would like to introduce Tara Love.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on what time you're watching this video. Hi, this is your girl Tara Love Diva, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute, but I am here with an unboxing of my birthday hair, which is December 21st. I'll be turning 50. Yay! My dramatics. Anyway, I'll be turning years old, and I'm excited. And I got some new hair from this company. 20 inches. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know why it's not focusing, but this is 20 inches. And this is a frontal. It's not a closure, it's a frontal. Let's open it up and check it out. This is a 13 by 4 closure, 20 inches. Oh, this hair is extremely soft. And the way it's made, the way the hairline is, it doesn't look neat. I like that. We have 22, 24, 24 inch hair. So what we're going to do before we drag this video out, we're going to bring her up. I say hello to Diva. So what we're going to do, I'm not going to do this wig on video. If you want to see how I've made a wig, I will leave a link down below. So I will be back when I'm done with this video, with this wig. I will show you the before I apply it to my hair. So I will see you.
Tara Love Diva Styles. Tara Love Diva Styles. Oh, oh.